Hi guys, the series of February premieres continues. Now, Oppo has confirmed that the Oppo Find X5 will feature the latest Dimensity 9000 platform and also launch the affordable Oppo A76 handset. It is a non-5G device and offers the latest chip from Qualcomm. For the amount of $215, we have a smartphone based on the Snapdragon 680 with Adreno 610 graphics, 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage memory. The Oppo A76 is running the Android 11 operating system with the ColorOS 11 user interface, a 6.56-inch display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a resolution of 1612 by 720 pixels was installed on the front panel. The smartphone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera, and the main camera offers two 13-megapixel and 2-megapixel sensors. Oppo A76 has a 5000 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging. The smartphone weighs 189 grams, and its dimensions were 164.4 by 75.7 by 8.39 millimeters. The Oppo Find X5 Pro smartphone, which will be officially presented on February 24th, will be the first device based on the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 platform. This processor was available back in November last year, but it has not yet reached commercial devices. There were previous reports that the Find X5 Pro model will carry Qualcomm's premium Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. New teasers indicate that the smartphone will also debut with a special version of the Dimensity 9000 chip. Also, recall that the Dimensity 9000 solution combines 8 cores. One high-performance Cortex-X2 with a frequency of 3.05 GHz, 3 Cortex-A710 with a frequency of up to 2.85 GHz, and 4 energy-efficient Cortex-A510 with a frequency of 1.8 GHz. The processor has an ARM Mali G710 accelerator and a 5G modem. At first, the Oppo Find X5 Pro Dimensity Edition model will be available in the Chinese market, and then it will reach other regions. Also, the device will receive a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED LTPO 2.0 display, with a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels, a 32-megapixel front camera, and a triple rear camera, in a configuration of 50 plus 50 plus 13 megapixels. It is worth mentioning that recently, Oppo has announced that its ColorOS user interface has exceeded 500 million monthly active users. Considering ColorOS 500 million users relative to the 4 billion smartphone users globally, 1 in 8 people around the world uses ColorOS. This Android skin is a customized operating system based on Android launched by Oppo. According to the company, users can use this system for a long time without getting any issues. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.